Laura, in my webinar, my live webinar that I do, she said your latest course on affiliate marketing is great, as you can see right here. So that's super cool. And then she also said, buy Jordan's affiliate course. It's all explained. So she definitely was enjoying the course. So I appreciate that, Laura. If you guys want to check out that course and learn some of the things I'm talking about right here in this video about affiliate marketing, the link is in the description and pinned to the top comment. And I think you'll like the price as well. So definitely go in and check out that course if you haven't. We have over 200 students in that course now already. It's only been out for a couple of weeks. I've heard nothing but awesome things about it. So go ahead and check that out if you haven't. All right, so let's talk about some of the things I was going to talk about today. So I searched for a massage chair review, and I found this video right here. It's got 301,000 views, and it has ads on it. So I'm going to show you guys what this guy's strategy is, which is really, really smart. So all he does is take these like advertisement videos, and he narrates over it.
Without a doubt, the Dreamwave is still leading the way as the...
And it's really easy to do. So basically all he's doing is taking these advertisement videos from these different massage chairs or whatever he's reviewing. Then he's going on Google, right? And he's searching reviews and things about the product and specs and things like that, which is really easy to find on Google. Then he's just narrating over these advertisement clips. Super easy to do. And the benefit is, number one, he's got 104,000 subs because he's reviewing different things that aren't really reviewed much on YouTube. Then if you look here, he's got affiliate links to every one of these things. And if you look through the comments, a lot of people say that they've bought some of these. So some of these comments say, you know, I went with the budget one, like right here. We did the budget massage portable chair, very impressed. So as you can see, like, people are actually buying these things that he is recommending. And he hasn't even used any of these products, which is the genius of it. You don't have to even have owned the products. He's just using, you know, generic clips from the chairs from the advertisements that he's found. No one's going to claim this stuff because he's helping them sell their product, right? They're not going to come in and claim this video for him using clips of the chair and stuff like that because he's helping them sell the product. So he's going to keep his ad revenue, he's going to keep his monetization, and then on top of all of that, he's going to get a lot of affiliate sales because the people coming into this video are already people who are thinking about buying a massage chair. So he's just getting sales. And what I really like that he did here is he has a range of prices. So he's got one that's $2,800 from Home Depot. So this is a Home Depot one right here, which is really, I don't know if you guys know, you can pretty much market a product from any store on the internet. And that's something I go through in the affiliate marketing course. I teach you guys that there are so many different affiliate marketing networks that have any product that you could ever need for any niche you could ever do, for any store that you want to do. There's just different networks that you join, and it's really easy, and they're all free to do. So he's got a nice mix here, 2,700. And so think about, and then this one's only 800, and then this one's 500. So he's got affordable ones and then really expensive ones. All of these, you know, if he's going to get, you know, a certain cut of this, like he's probably going to make $50 per sale on this chair right here. You know, on this one, he might make, you know, $20 or something like that. 20. So we'll say if he averages, you know, $40, if he averages, you know, $40 per affiliate sale here. So if we see here, you know, well, we'll go to his channel and we'll look here. And first of all, what we'll do is say 21,382,143 views times about a 10% click-through rate on the ads times 3 cents per ad click. He's probably made somewhere around $50,000 to $60,000 on ad revenue alone on this channel. But then if we take that number and we say that out of his viewers, we'll say 1% have ended up buying a product from him, okay? So we'll say 1% clicked on his links. So 1% of his full viewers actually clicked on his affiliate link. So 213,000 people probably actually clicked on a link, okay? And we'll say 1% of them actually bought a product. So we'll say out of this channel, it's very easy to say that 2,000 people out of his 21 million have clicked a link and bought. And it's probably more than that. And then we'll say on average he's doing products like that are pretty high ticket. So we'll say he probably, you know, is at least getting $20 for each affiliate sale that he gets. So I estimate he's probably made somewhere at least around $40,000 off this channel on affiliate marketing. Then we'll add the, $60,000 that he's made on ad revenue. So this channel has probably made about $102,000 over the last year or year or two, however long he's been posting. So really awesome there. Obviously, he's turned this into a full-time thing where he's basically just reading over some facts on a video, right? So really great idea there. Here's another one that I found here. So this one is a guy talking about, and I don't even think this is his video, but he's just talking about
not the way to get your stay tuned.
Dangerous vitamins. So he's talking about how multivitamins are dangerous.
Every multivitamin tablet, it's chalk, like the teacher uses on the blackboard.
It's got 1 million views on it, so he's probably made somewhere around, $5,000 to $10,000 off this video on ad revenue alone, right? And so the people that are coming in looking for, if they're typing in dangerous vitamins and watching it, what are they? They're probably interested in vitamins, right? And they're probably now don't want to buy these, right? But they probably want to buy ones that are actually better. So ones that they, like, if they're going to come out in this video and say that multivitamins are dangerous, they're probably going to want to buy ones that are then told by the same person that they're safe, right? So what you could do is find a video like this that tells people that regular multivitamins that they sell at the store are dangerous. And then you can go to somewhere like ClickBank and find a good product that, has good reviews and stuff like that, because you don't want to, lie about it. But you could take something like this, like B12 vitamin, and you get $30 per sale. Or you could take this one, Top Brain and Energy Support Supplement. So do a little research, make sure you're not, promoting complete crap. But at the same time, so that video is scaring people into saying, regular vitamins you buy from Walmart suck. So here's a different one that's way better for you and addresses all these concerns, from this video. And then all you have to do is make it known in that video, either popping it up in text or something, and then making sure that they know that link is there, and then wording it, which I talked about in the course, wording it in a way that makes them actually want to go click that link. So you could get somewhere around $25 to $30 for each sale. So if we go back to this video and say he's already made about $10,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 on just the video alone on ads, but then we'll say this 1,011,253, and we'll say if he's promoting a product, 1% click the link, and then 1% of that end up buying. So about 101 people could have bought this $30 product that he was marketing. He gets $30 a sale. He could probably make an extra $3,000 just off this one video alone. So that's somewhere around affiliate marketing, about $3,000 off this video right here. Another $5,000 to $10,000 off this video as well. For a 4-minute video that he didn't even make, could have made somewhere around $15,000 mixing ads and affiliate marketing. So really, really cool there as well. And so then another one that I found here, and another thing you could do is one of these sales pages is like this one right here. So you could also do this. So you could get a video, kind of like the massage chair guy did, find a video like this, and literally just post this to YouTube and say like the best make a video where you basically just take this video and post it again on YouTube, but you title it something like the #1 vitamin or the safest vitamin or the best vitamin, or something like that makes people actually type that in, search it, find it, right? You can put ads on it, and then at the same time, you can then market this exact product, link your own affiliate link in the description. So you could just take the videos directly from the sales pages, and they're not gonna flag you or anything like that, because you're simply promoting their video from their sales page and helping them sell their product. They're not going to have a problem with you posting a video from a sales page when you're helping them sell their product and getting it into more people, getting more people's eyes on that product. So that's another thing that you can do for sure. It's a great idea. You can put ads on it, and then you can literally off of it market your own affiliate link. So another good idea there. And then here is not any affiliate offer at all, but you'll see here 28 million views on this video. It's the ultimate iPhone prank compilation. So for those of you who think you can't do compilations in 2020, you're wrong. If you do it the right way, the way that I teach you how to do it inside the course, Make Money on YouTube Made Easy, and the YouTube Advanced Masterclass, which you could just get the bundle that has all of that, and Shopify Dropshipping Made Simple, as well as the Course Selling Personal Branding Masterclass. I teach you how to do all of this stuff the way he does it. So as you can see, he's done some editing here. He's got an intro. He's keeping the clips pretty short, and because of that, he's able to put ads on it. 28 million views on this, guys. So, I mean, if you look at here, like 28, and he's got a lot of ads. I've already seen a bunch of them pop up. So we'll say he's probably getting that 10% click-through rate. Multiply that by 3 cents. He's probably made somewhere around $80,000, $70,000 to $80,000 on this one video alone. On top of that, think about what could he do for affiliate links. Well, obviously iPhone prank compilation, right? So he could do iPhone cases. He could do things like that from Amazon, or he could get an affiliate partnership directly with Apple. All of those sort of things are opportunities. I'm sure Apple has their own affiliate marketing, product link, and all of those sort of things. So some more ideas for you guys. I hope you enjoyed Go Chiefs in the Super Bowl. If you want to check out my courses, I do have some sales going on. And so get that affiliate marketing course, and you're going to love it. And then get the bundle that has all 4 courses combined. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.